Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another insanely gorgeous collection from MJ Lacquer. This is her fall collection called Autumn Blessings. I am stoked. I've already swatched these on a swatch wheel. I cannot wait to show you on my natural nails. So this is a 7-piece collection. It will launch on Friday, September 25th at 9 a.m. There's a 3-day sale, 15% off, no code required. So if you guys are interested in any of these, set your timers, mark your calendars, get ready, because they're going to be available very soon. So I'm just going to real quick go through them. I'm just going to say the names. I will talk about descriptions and stuff as I swatch them. So the first one is called Compassion, and it's a thermal. This next one is Mercy. It's purple with, oh, it's so pretty. And then this one is called Goodness. And then next we have Patience, Favor, Grace, and then lastly we have Autumn. So I'm going to get my digits ready and we're going to do some swatching. Okay, first up we have Compassion, and this is, you're just going to hear me repeat myself on a lot of these, I'm sure. My words are at a loss. This is gorgeous. I mean, just insane pretty. And I can't even get over the flaky goodness. And then the thermal. The thermal change just rocks. Look at that. So we do have next up Miss Mercy. And this one is so squishy. And I'm sorry that I didn't get to show all of doing the first coat because my camera messed up. But here we go with our second coat. Look at that. Stunning. Oh my. Alrighty, and here we have Goodness, and this one, I don't have anything like this in my collection, I'm sure. That kind of like yellow gold with the flakies, I really like it. I think it looks really cool with some nail art on it too. And as you've noticed, I do show swatch photos of it on its own and with nail art. They are also all top coated with a glossy top coat. Loving it. Very nice. Oh, me. Next we have Patience. And it's another stunner. And I know you're thinking, well, that looks a lot like the other one. But I held them up side by side and really they're all so very different. Very, very different. Very pretty. And with my yellow nails, it's showing up a little more aqua. That is because of the yellowness of my nails. So I am going to do 3 coats of this one. Hopefully just trying to get a better, shot of what the polish looks like. We're going to have to get Woody out and clean up that mess. Ugh, what a mess. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Oh, goodness. So here are my swatch photos. And next up we have Favor. And I love this color combo. I really do. That blue and black, oh, with all that shimmer. So in love with it. I really do enjoy these. And there we go. I'm fighting with the little glitters to make sure they stay on my nails, but that's not the polish's problem. That's a user thing. So I'm going to do 3 coats of this one as well. You could use just a different color undie, like maybe a white or a light blue, and save the special polish. Next up we have Grace. And the camera doesn't do this one justice. I'm telling you, the shimmer in this one, up underneath all that other good stuff that's in this polish, is just crazy insane. It is so, so pretty.
I could not stop looking at it. It was just a stunner, especially out in the sun. All of these are so amazing out in the sun. Ugh. Getting that cap in that fridge there. Love it. Love it. Love it. It's so, so pretty. And last up we have Autumn. And while I'm doing this one, I'm going to let y'all just watch me do it. Swatch it. But remember, if you want to get in on any of these, you definitely want to go check out MJ Lacquer's website. And I will have a link down in the description box. Just an amazing collection. I really was impressed. I love all of these so much. Janet's just done such a great job with MJ Lacquer's, growth and progress, and her polishes are outstanding, and they're reasonably priced, and she does sales, so check it out.